Hello, my name is Emin. I'm representing company EMCsoft, and in this video I will continue my Bitrix training course about robots. So if you go to automation rule and we click create and we go to products, so we discuss all these robots which is above, and now we're discussing products. And now we got add product item, copy or move product items, get product item information, and delete products. Right, let's go to the add product item. So that actually robot quite simple. It creates some product inside of your deal or lead. For example, you got products which you sell again and again, and you need to add that product again and again to all your deals or leads. Actually, you can add one product, or you can add 2, 3, 5 products. For example, if I will click here, product ID, I can add that product. I can set up a price, quantity, discount if it's different than default one. Okay, and I will add here, and actually I will copy that product and will edit, and instead of that product I will add that product. Okay, save. So I'm going to a test deal, and inside of a test deal I will delete all products I got.
Six and a half hours later.
So I need to click save, and I will move that deal to the product edit stage and go coming inside and go to products, and I see that 2 products added. That's it. Okay, let's go to another automation rules. Okay, I'm delete that, and I'm clicking create and go to product, and let's discuss delete product for now. And delete product is quite simple. So if you got some products, all products will be deleted on the stage where you move that deal. So I will put that deal, and I'm saving that, save, coming back. So inside of the deal I already got products, and I move a deal to this product edit stage, and I'm going inside of a deal, go to products, and voila, no products here because I got a robot which delete all products. Right, then go to the next automation rule, get product item information. So get product item information, it's about to get information about product which is inside of the deal. It take only product information only from the first product, because in robots iteration is not available. So you need to go to the deal and go to the products. And for example, in the same stage I will create a task. Okay, it will be test task, and in that task description I will put product information, because this is an actual get product item information. Actually is not a robot, it's a helper, so I will save that for now. If click here, edit, and here, so I do not see nothing here below file link, but if I will move below get product item information and click edit and click here and here, I got automation rules, because I got that after create task robot. I got get product item information. I'm going inside get product item information, and I see product name and, for example, price. Okay, so save that, save. So I need to add some products here. Okay, so I got one product. I'm moving a deal from that stage to that stage, and what happened inside I'm checking. So I got a task. I'm open a task, and I see that I got description, name of a product, and price of a product. Okay, unfortunately you can't add all products on the first product, but that function available in business process, which I will discuss on in other videos. Let's discuss last robot here, which is copy or move product items. That robot move all products from deal to any other object or any other item.
What?
That items could be deal, invoice, document, or order. Usually, we use that robot to copy all products from deal to invoice. Okay? How we usually use it. For example, you got a situation, so you're talking to client, you adding products to the deal, then you use invoices, for example, to check in payment, integration with the bank, and so on. And when you create invoice, okay, so I got too many invoices here. I need to delete them. When you create invoice, all products automatically copying from deal to invoice, right? So you send that invoice to the customer and you can do some automation here, which I mentioned in my previous video, and paperwork automation. But for example, client back to you and say that, listen, I don't need Apple Watch, but I need you to add some other product. And what you need to do? You need to go to invoice, create a new invoice, and you need to add products manually, which is very time consuming. How you can automate that? Okay, I will show you immediately now. You go to automation rule, and here in that stage you need to add a robot, which we mentioned previously is create using source. Okay, that will be invoice. Okay, that means that once a lead or deal created, automatically invoice will be created inside of a deal with all copied products. Even if that deal do not have any product, invoice will be created with no products. Right, this is very important. Using Call Center 24, you may do a click by clicking on the number, select a number from which you want to call. You can add up to 100 numbers. Make a call. During the call, you can add to the call any contact from your Bitrix from leads or contacts. You can add call center user from user list in your Bitrix, or you can connect to that call somebody by type any number and connect to that call. Also, you can pass the call, mute the call, or transfer call to somebody else. Then, for example, in that stage, you are talking to client or discussing about new products. Okay, so there will be no robots here, but here on that stage, we will copy, creating another invoice. That means that if deal will move from that stage to that stage, it will create a new invoice with no products, because second invoice do not copy products from the deal. It always creating empty. I'll show what I mean. For example, you got a product and you have invoice. When you create first invoice, okay, it copy products. But when you create a second invoice, it create no products. Okay, right, so we deleting all of that. Going back to automation rule. That's why we created that. And then once we created invoice, we copy all products, edited products from deal to the invoice. And for that, I need to target select invoice and target ID, copy some conditions. And here I need to select automation rule, and that automation rule created because you got that robot created using source. And you need to put here invoice ID. Means that once you created invoice, use the same ID of that invoice where should to copy products. So, for example, invoice created, we send that invoice to customer, but customer in 90% cases always back to you and says that, listen, I don't need that product, I need that product.
Here we go again.
So you added change the products. Now you click update invoice. Okay, now you need to say that update invoice and go to invoices, and voila, you see that new invoice is created, and inside of invoice you got products which you added recently. So, and customer coming back to you and says that, listen, I changed my mind again, I need only this product. Okay, you're saying never mind, that's not a problem. You're saving that, and update invoice, and coming to invoice, fresh, go to invoice, and you can see that you got invoice with those items. Okay, coming back to products. Okay, for example, only this, Now update invoice. Right, now I got correct invoice. And also in my previous videos, I mentioned that how you can do automation for your paperwork. So you can also add here other robots for paperwork automation. And once you click here update invoice, you run update invoice, and also you generate a new invoice in PDF file and send directly to the customer. Okay, so let's check automation rules again. Okay, and go to products. So we discuss all robots in product section. So tomorrow we will discuss task management section. And so that's it for now. If you like that video, click like. If you got questions regarding that video, please put your questions under comment under that video. Thank you and bye bye.